condensed cream of mushroom soup, and then a can of the cream of chicken, a container of shredded chicken. Yeah, I know this is like Hispanic, but it's not like spicy. This is actually lightly seasoned pulled chicken. And get this I got this one at Walmart, and it actually comes in its own juices, which is great because that'll like kind of thin out the soup just a little bit. So you can take that whole container and mix that in with our soups. And then we're going to be adding a bag of frozen veggies. So good. It's kind of important to have your veggies. So this is like such a great way to get it in. So I'm gonna mix that in as well. Adding some pepper. I'm not adding any salt because there's plenty of salt in the condensed soup mix. So just adding like a whole bunch of pepper. And then we're gonna be adding some thyme. Continue kind of mix all that together so you don't have like these like just brothy parts. Like seriously, this is like one of the easiest things. If you have like, you know, last minute visitors, or you've got like a company over for the weekend and you don't know what to make, like this is like so easy and it's so filling and no one's gonna say they don't like this. Like this is so good. I'm gonna add a layer of shredded cheese. So I'm using mozzarella and provolone, but you can use whatever cheese you like. I like this like thick cut. I'm gonna like toss that all over the top. Just kind of make sure that it kind of spread everywhere. And then we are going to be topping this with the flaky biscuits. I like using the butter flavor because, you know, butter. But also I like using these flaky ones, and I'll show you why in a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that. And then with the flaky ones, you can go ahead and like flake them some more. Here, I'm gonna pop that right there. But you're just gonna just kind of peel them open. This works better when they're like cold. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, I think a biscuit will, yeah, you can actually make like 3 kind of separate layers with that. And then you're just gonna like kind of layer them. And then what you're gonna do at the very end is this is 2 tablespoons of butter, and then we're gonna be adding some parsley. And then you're gonna take this whole thing and you're gonna pour it all over the biscuits. Oh, doesn't it look amazing? Cannot wait to dig into this when it comes out of the oven. This is all gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour, 40 minutes on the top side. And then we'll come back and we'll do a little taste test. Guys, look at how delicious this looks. Look at all the little pools of butter and everything. Let me grab a plate and let's do a little taste test. And look at how that looks. It looks amazing. Got that parsley butter on top. Oh, okay. So go ahead and cut into this. Oh, so flaky. I love it. Got that cheese on top as well. Ooh. Oh my God, delicious. Y'all, you have to make this at home. I can't recommend this enough. It's so, so good.